In this video, we will display a list of tags here. We will retrieve all unique tags from the posts table. This parameter allows us to specify how many tags to display. This retrieves all tag values from the posts table as a collection. This splits each comma-separated string into individual tags. This removes any white space around tags to ensure accuracy in uniqueness. This eliminates duplicate tags. This arranges the tags alphabetically. Let's use this function to fetch unique tags from the posts table. Great! As you can see, we now have a list of tags retrieved from the posts table. When we hover over each tag, the corresponding URL appears in the bottom left corner of the browser. Let's see what happens if we comment out this unique method. As you can see, all tags are retrieved with duplicates. Some tags are displayed multiple times. You can limit the number of tags displayed. Just add a value here as a parameter. As you can see, only 10 tags are listed here. Next, we need to convert this list into a reusable component. Great! The tags list is now a reusable component. Friends, I hope you learned how to list unique tags from the posts table. See you in the next video.